This is a simple Python code that tests whether or not a string is a palindrome. What is a palindrome? It's just a string that reads the same from either side. You can read it from left to right, and it reads exactly the same as if you read it from right to left. So this is not a palindrome, as you can see. So we first set a k to true. So we initially assume that the string that we have is a palindrome, and then we iterate through the string to test. How would we do that? We just need to iterate through the length of the string over 2, not the entire length of the string. So because at each iteration we compare the first one, or the first character, to the last one, and then the second character to the last, or the second last, and so on. So we need just the length of the string over 2 iterations. So we start iterating through, in this case we have the length is 6, so we iterate 3 times only. And then at each iteration we compare the specific character that we're at. In this case, or in the first iteration, it would be string 0, so it's A, to the string at index of the length minus I minus 1. So the length minus I, it's gonna be minus 0, so 6 minus 0, minus 1. Why we need minus 1? Well, because the indexing starts at 0, as we know. So this would be 5. Okay, and if ever we find that at any comparison that they are not the same, or these characters are not the same, then we set k to false and we break. And we print k. So let's see. Of course it's false because this is not a palindrome. But if we ABC, CBA, so ABC, CBA, ABC, CBA, this is a palindrome. Yeah, we can thank you.